Well, hi guys, we'd like to welcome y'all here to the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. So I'm Ron Hightower here at the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. The tour takes you through 3 lakes and 2 canals here in the Winter Park chain. You'll see Rollins College, Craft Azalea Gardens, lots of beautiful mansions. They'll tell you some of the history about our wonderful city, and it's something everybody really enjoys. So one of our skippers will meet you here at the dock and take you on a wonderful 1-hour tour. They'll tell you all the different sites and historical facts that you'll see here in Winter Park.
So much more fun if you ask questions, so don't be shy about that. But let's get the show on the road here. Yeah, thanks so much for coming and coming back. We are going to be on 3 different lakes. This one's called Lake Osceola. It's named after the famous Seminole Indian leader. Mentioned we're going to be on 3 different lakes, so we do use canals to go from one to the other. These lakes are natural, most Florida lakes are, but the canals that join them were originally just little streams. And in the 1870s, this was before Winter Park, they started to cut down the pine trees around the lakes. The lumberjacks that cut the pines down also hand dug these canals to float those trees to a sawmill that used to be on the next lake. So canals have been canals for 150 years. So I mentioned the water flowing north. It eventually goes all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in Jacksonville by way of the St. Johns River. So this is also St. Johns Water Management right here. And of course, some of Orlando's lakes flow north into this lake through Mead Garden. This is the Alphon Gym, and as soon as we get up here a little further, well, you kind of see it now, across the street from Rollins, sitting where the old Langford Hotel used to be for 50 years, is the Alphon Inn. So another gift from the Alphons. It's 5 years old. It's already considered to be one of Florida's best hotels. Two of my favorite trees on this trip are coming to. On the left side, that's a 300-year-old live oak, which goes across the canal to what they say is the oldest pine tree in Winter Park. On the right, 150-year-old pine, and then another bougainvillea vine too, growing way up there. We are coming out onto Lake Maitland, and which is the largest lake on this chain of lakes, so 450 acres. The building to our right, that is Rollins College's crew boat house or rowing team, and they practice on this lake because it's twice as big as the one that Rollins sits on. They started this in 1938, so 83 years. They run the boat tour every day except for Christmas Day and bad weather. So we are considered to be the oldest continuously run tourist attraction in Florida. I know, yay. Anyway, what a gorgeous day. You guys have been wonderful. So thanks for coming. Hope you have a chance to do some fun stuff in town, and definitely come back. We'd love to see you. Well, thanks, everybody. Appreciate y'all.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. The tours leave every hour on the hour from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 7 days a week. You can book by phone. We also accept walk-ups, and of course, your favorite tour operator is always available. Thanks so much.